Whoa. Logo's up in the background. It's the weekend. Guys, here in this video, I will be reviewing the microphone that you're hearing right now, which is the Blue Snowball microphone. I'll give a better description later on. For now, let's get into it. Let's see what this microphone can do. Let's also run it through a few different types of software, sound editing software, as well as video editing software. And we will also be having a look at different sounds that we can create with this microphone while sitting here in this format. You are watching AnthonyAllenEdits YouTube channel. I am Anthony Allen, and in today's video we will be doing an unboxing of this Blue Snowball microphone and a review of our first take. So let's get into it. How you doing, guys? It's Anthony Allen from AnthonyAllenEdits YouTube channel. I know my voice is sounding a little bit raspy today. It's because I've got a little bit of a flu. But as you can see, my logo is in the background there. Anthony Allen Edits, as suggested by one of my subscribers in a previous video. I asked you guys what you wanted to see on that TV in the background. This is a new format for my YouTube channel, and I asked my subscribers what you'd like to see there in the background. One of my subscribers, Rampaging26, hit the subscribe button on his channel. He's been very interactive here on my channel and he's a worthwhile subscriber. He likes the content that I deliver, and we also help each other out in each other's comment section, which is what my YouTube channel is all about. If you're engaging with me and you want some help, I will go the extra mile to help you and your channel, especially if I've got the time to do so. So without further ado, in this video we'll be doing an unboxing video of the very microphone that I'm using here. I'm not sure if you can see it. You might be able to just see the top part here. It's a Blue Snowball microphone. We'll be doing an unboxing video and our first account review here on Anthony Allen Edits, so stay tuned. So here we are. I'm actually unboxing the microphone that I'm using to record the voiceover to this part of our video review / unboxing. Obviously you can see it's an Amazon box. I ordered the product from Amazon, and what I have done is I've had a Prime trial as well to get the microphone here faster, because I just couldn't wait. Just no way that I was waiting. Just really wanted it here. And here it is. This is the Blue Snowball microphone. Just opening it up now. It all comes flat packed. And here is the head of the microphone. The reason why it's called a snowball, I'm guessing, is because of its shape. It looks like a rolled up black snowball. Obviously, as a necessity, you need a tripod for this microphone to stand up. That is what that is. And you also get a cable with the microphone, which is a USB cable by default. Another main point that I'd like to make about this microphone while I was unboxing is I found that the tripod and the manufacturing on this microphone is of a high quality. It's absolutely sturdy. It's not going anywhere. As you can see there, when I opened up the tripod, I had to pry it slightly. It's absolutely solid. And there we have the cable attached to it, and that is basically what the microphone looks like when it's all attached together. Okay, so now we're doing a sound check. I've had to put on my hoodie because it just got uber cold. It's the UK. It goes from sunny to cold fairly quickly. But hey ho, that's just life here, you know. So put my logo back in the background. Here we're going to do a little bit of a sound test with the microphone. Right now there's a lot of background noise happening. There's a microwave going off over in this direction, and back behind me in the other room is my daughter watching something on TV. What I've noticed about this microphone is it doesn't block out a lot of background noise, unlike a lavalier lapel microphone that you would attach to yourself, which is a lot smaller, and you could put a wind filter thing over the top of it, which will block out a lot of the background noise. This microphone doesn't do that. It sounds amazing when you're up close, but when you're speaking from a distance, and you're trying to get rid of background noise, you'll find that you'll actually be getting rid of a part of your voice as well. I actually haven't done it in post-edit, so I'll actually try that out. As you can hear, my daughter just said something. You can probably hear her if I've got no music playing in the background. Can you hear a slight that is a microwave sound. So this microphone is so powerful, it picks up noise that's like well away from where you are. So thinking about using a post-production editing software to make it into sound quality that sounds more like this. That's my editing. I've just edited this to make it sort of get rid of a lot of the background noise, and this is what my voice sounds like once I've done that effect on top. Just simply getting rid of background noise, nothing else. Another thing that I've noticed about the microphone, I'm going to go back to the original audio now. The microwave went off at the same time. Ding! We're back to the original audio without my background noise removal. If I touch the microphone, you can probably hear... It's probably really irritating, I'm sorry about that. You can probably hear my fingers running along the surface, and that's because it records a 360 degree of sound. You can actually set the microphone to do just the front. I'm not sure how to do that just yet, but I heard that with this microphone you can set it to record from simply just the front of the microphone. Also, there can be popping. So if you're talking and you tend to have a high-pitched popping sound when you're saying peas, pittle, pepper, 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 you will find that there's a slight popping to the microphone as well. What I'm doing, even though I've got a little bit of a cold, is I'm controlling my voice to get a better quality and better sound of audio, so you can't hear that. In terms of audio software that you would want to use this with, if you want to get a really high quality narration, I would use GarageBand. I've used this microphone with GarageBand. It is absolutely amazing with that piece of software. Like, it's literally so rich and so thick that for this microphone and the price that you would get it for, it's so worth it, especially if you're using this microphone as your entry-level first microphone that you're going to purchase. So it's definitely worth a buy if it's a slight upgrade. If you're doing gaming material and you want a good microphone for your gaming material, this microphone will be perfect for that. Again, with the background noise, what you would ideally want to do is that if you're playing the sound of your game through a TV and not external device that you're recording your footage with, then I would say that you would be able to pick up the sound quite well anyway. I've done a few sound tests with it as well, and you can actually hear the TV quite well when you're doing this. I would recommend not using the microphone solely to pick up the sound of your gaming material. I see there's a little bit of background noise here. I'm just keeping this video completely natural. What I would do ideally is use this as an input to the game recording application or device that you're using. If you're using this microphone for gaming material, as you can hear background noise there, that would be also slightly filtered if you're using an application that you can mess around with settings and so forth. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to cut away from this microphone because my daughter's absolutely going off right now, and we're going to talk to you in our original YouTube setting so we can use a lapel microphone for now, as we're not recording straightly, like directly into an application. Let's do it. So there it goes. I've done a video on the weekend for once. I don't normally make any videos on the weekend, but one of my subscribers, I thought this would really help him out, especially because he makes gaming content, which is the reason why I have catered part of this video about the microphone to you game content creators. It's a blue Snowball ice microphone. It is absolutely definitely value for money, but like I do with all the things that I review here on my YouTube channel on Anthony Allen Edits, I have a discount code for you. So thank you for watching, guys. My name's Anthony Allen. You've been watching Anthony Allen Edits, the YouTube channel that's all about your video editing hints, tips and tricks, as well as products like this blue microphone that you will see reviews on, product reviews, and also get yourself a discount at the end of the video if you watch it all the way through to the end. We've got more videos coming this week as well, a lot more to come on my channel. Hit that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up if you've liked this video. Yes, it's been slightly all over the place with the sound, but that was perfectly timed and was great for us to test out the microphone. Hopefully you made it through to the end of the video and the noise wasn't too much for you. But yes, thank you for watching. My name is Anthony Allen, and see you again in the next video here on my channel. Peace.